Hi yogis, this is Andreina, and I designed this class to help you have a good night's sleep or for those evenings that you want to disconnect from everything and just relax. This class is for all levels, so when you're ready, meet me on the mat. We're going to begin in a seated position. And as you inhale, roll your shoulders up and back. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, try to let go of any tension in your body. Drop the right ear to the right shoulder. And you can choose to stay here if you want, or another option is to extend the left arm out to the side. Place the right hand over your head, chin is parallel to the floor, and you can close your eyes. Now drop your chin as if you want to look at your armpit. And this time you're going to notice that the stretch is going to be more at the back of the neck. Lift the chin up, and you can use the right hand to push your head to center. Now let's switch sides. So with an exhale, drop the ear to your shoulder. Again, you can choose to stay here if you want, or the other option is to extend the right arm out to the side and the left hand goes on top of your head. As you exhale, roll the chin down. And use your exhales to relax as much as you can. Bring your chin up, and you can use the left hand to push your head to center. Now with the inhale, open the arms and the chest. And as you exhale, give yourself a nice hug. And as you exhale again, drop your chin to your chest. You can stay here if you want, or another option is to round the spine and rock from side to side. Bring the torso up, and we're gonna do a seated forward fold. So this pose is gonna activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which is gonna help you relax even more. So extend your legs in front of you and keep a nice bend in your knees. Palms are facing up, and as you exhale, round your spine over your thighs. Drop your head and relax the neck and the shoulders. Bring your head up, bend the right knee and extend the left arm out to the side. Now twist to the right, hug the right leg and place the right hand behind. As you inhale, lengthen the spine, and with an exhale, look over the right shoulder. You can close your eyes if you want. Release and let's switch sides. This time, bend the left knee. Right arm is out to the side and twist to the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, look over the left shoulder. Going back to center, bend both knees, grab onto your hamstrings and roll all the way down to your back. Place the sole of your feet together for a reclined butterfly. Now, the closer your feet are to your butt, then the easier the stretch is going to be. And the further away your feet are from your butt, then the more challenging it's going to be. So choose whatever feels more comfortable for you. Place your hands by your side. And we're gonna stay here for a few breaths. Bring your knees together, knees to your chest. Give them a nice hug and you can rock from side to side if you want. Extend the left leg and use the left hand to push the right knee over to the left side. The right hand can be wherever feels comfortable for you. So it can be by your hip or you can bend the elbow. Let's go back to center and switch sides. So this time, bend the left knee and push it over to the right side. Come to the center, and as you inhale, place the arms over your head. Bend the elbows and breathe. Now let's circle the arms. Inhale, lift the arms, and then exhale down. Again, inhale up, then exhale back. Last time. And place the arms by your side for Shavasana. Thank you so much for joining me in this class. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and follow for more. And I hope you have an amazing sleep. Namaste.